Hey, I'm James with P&W Outdoor Reviews, the channel for honest and simple reviews. And today I'm talking about the Vigilant Trails Survival Snare Kit Stage 1 and Stage 2. So I'm going to break down these kits, show you exactly what's inside of each one, and at the end of this video, I will show you kind of a snare kit, or a snare trap setup, just so you can kind of see what it looks like. I do have plans to make a video of how to set up a snare trap from start to finish, but just to keep this video within its normal shorter times, I'll save that video for later. So to show you the difference between Stage 1 and Stage 2, Stage 1, really simple kit. Open it up. So right up top here, you got your little index card. This is going to help you identify any tracks, you know, for whatever game you may be trying to look for, or if you're not familiar with it. And on the other side there, you got your snare loop diameter size and how far off the ground it needs to be, depending on what type of game you're trying to snare. So again, nice little cheat card to help you for those who may not be familiar with all the little things you need to know. Little roll your anchor wire, and you got 3 of these small game snare traps included. So that's all that's included in the Stage 1 kit. And to show you, one of the snares. So this is what the small game snares look like. So you got your actual snare end here. So, but made in the USA. This isn't stuff that's going to let you down. This isn't stuff that's going to fail on you in the field. I mean, this isn't just for your survival use. If you want to use this, you know, for actual snares, you know, if it's something you do on the regular, these get the job done. So this, I mean, this is truthfully stuff that you can use and not just, you know, hide away in your backpack and never use it. So it's reliable. That's the best thing I can say. Vigilant Trails does not sell or put together kits that are going to fail you. That's why I really appreciate this company and all that they've done with all the kits that they've created. And there's a lot of different kits. It's fun to go on their website and look at them, because there is a kit for everything. So yeah, let's go into Stage 2. You can see it's a little bit bigger of a kit because there's a little bit more offered in this kit. So again, got a roll of your anchor wire. Also has 3 of the small game snare traps. Same ones that I just showed you. But what makes this kit a little different is it's got these little snare, oh my gosh, I already forgot the terminology. Snare triggers. Wow. Okay, again, I'm not an expert on this stuff, but I really do enjoy snare traps. They are cool. But the snare triggers from Vigilant Trails, this is awesome because not only can you use these for your snare traps when you got them all set up, you can also use these for fishing, okay? And just to kind of show you a diagram, because I'm probably going to butcher this as I try to explain it. Let's see if this shows up here. So, boom, all right. So you can see they're using in this example in the diagram, you know, you find something alive, you know, young type of tree branch, you know, something that's going to have some whip to it, to put it really simply. But that's what you're connecting your snare trigger to, all right, and your snare or fishing line to, because as soon as something enters and bumps that snare and or fish nibbles at that fishing hook, it's going to set the actual line or snare. So it's an added feature to your snare trap to really ensure you're going to catch you're going to catch what you're trying to get, all right, whether again small game or fish. So that's what really separates the Stage 2 kit from the Stage 1, is that it has 2 of these snare triggers. So you can set up multiple, you know, geez, you can set one up for small game and then go to the river and set one up for fish. So you can get fish and rodent all in one day. Kind of cool. And then it's also got some of this additional line as well to help you connect it to if you're using a tree branch or something. So this kit is complete. It's got everything you need, plus the instructions, again, like I showed you. But it's got everything you need to set up your snares and offer a little bit more help okay, with that's trigger system. So that's really neat that's included in the Stage 2. So it also came with this little baggie to carry it in. So you can connect it to the outside of your backpack, and they got other kits on their website, I think for like your Molly systems as well, to carry the snare kit. So that's also on Vigilant Trails website. So they think of everything. Yeah, guys, well, that sums up what's inside of Stage 1 and Stage 2. Let's go ahead and switch it up and show you what it looks like set up. Okay, so I got my snare trap set up here. Using the small game snare, I have it securely anchored, and yes, I am using a metal rod here, but for demonstration purposes. But I mean, this would work in real life too. Running it down and just pretending here, because I could not find an actual game trail where I'm at. But if I was hypothetically trying to get, let's say, rabbit, you know, I have it set for the loop size and off the ground according to recommendations. And I would just set this and come back and check it later. You know, let your game have time to come back, hop through here, and then get snagged. So that, to put it really simply, is what it would kind of look like set up, but ideally it needs to be in a choke point to where you know the game is going to have to travel through this point, because they can't go left or right, they have to go through. So I will, like I said, make a video to better demonstrate that, but right now there is, again, not too much life where I'm at. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate the support. I'm going to have links to Vigilant Trails, Stage 1, Stage 2, and their website down in the description down below. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I want you to have a great day.